What is going on, guys, and welcome to CSS tutorial. In this video we're going to talk about position property in CSS, and the first position property value that I want to talk about is actually a static position. And what I mean by that is when we're going to be dealing with a position property in CSS, and there's going to be multiple values elements right here right now in HTML, they actually are in a static position by default, the same way how the block elements were actually displayed by default as blocks, and inline elements were displayed by default as inline elements, right? So the same thing happens over here, that all the elements by default are actually displayed in a static position. And you can see over here that I have a heading 3, and the only thing that I have done with these elements over here that I have added a border. That's the only thing that I've done. The rest of the actually stuff is staying the same. You can see that it works the same for the paragraph, it works for the same for the div element. And what static actually position basically means is that the elements are actually sitting exactly where you placed them in HTML. Exactly, just basically the way browser reads the page, looks where the elements are, and just places them. And in the later videos we're going to start actually manipulate that position, but for the first video all we need to know is that all the elements are just sitting exactly where you want them to be by default, because they have a position which is and position property which has a value of static. This is going to be it for this video.